Well, good afternoon, everybody. Well, I'm pretty honored to be to share the stage with so much phenomenal talent here at DPNC. It's a great community, and you can always tell when communities are alive when you throw parties and artists come and perform, and they're not just coming because they're invited, they're coming because they're part of the community, and it's great to see that. So, I'd also like to congratulate the community for the opening of the health center. That is a phenomenal thing for our community, and Davenport is an amazing place, but there's a lot of need. And unfortunately, at all levels of government, there's an unwillingness to sort of meet the needs of the people. And when there's a question between, so are we going to give a big corporate tax cut to the wealthiest corporations in Canada, or are we going to invest in people? Too often, the answer is, well, let's give the corporate tax cut. And we have to change that. We have to change that. And so in the context of cuts and of governments that don't really want to invest in people, I think that the community here has to be doubly proud that when you're actually building infrastructure and you're building a community health center for the people of this neighborhood. So that's a wonderful thing, and I'm really proud to be the federal representative of such a fantastic community. So, and I'm very, very honored to be asked to perform here today. And I'll play a couple tunes. This train is bound for glory. This train. This train is bound for glory. This train. This train is bound for glory. Don't ride nothing but the righteous and the holy. This train is bound for glory. This train. This train don't carry no gamblers. This train. This train don't carry no gamblers. This train, oh, this train don't carry no gamblers, no crap shooters, no midnight ramblers. This train don't carry no gamblers. This train. Now this train carry my mother. This train. This train carry my mother. This train, oh, this train carry my mother. St. Janet took my sisters and my brother. This train carry my mother. This train. Now this train is leaving in the morning. This train. This train is leaving in the morning. This train, oh, this train is leaving in the morning. Great God Almighty, a new day is dawning. This train is leaving in the morning. This train is bound for glory. This train is bound for glory. This train. Thank you, and it is bound for glory. You guys are leading the way here. You're showing the way here. So this is a song I wrote a long, long time ago, and it's basically a song about okay, so we've got issues that we need to deal with. How do we deal with them? Do we just sit around and complain, or do we actually do something about them? And I think that this is one of the great symbols that this community brings to the city, is that you don't necessarily wait around for other people to do your work. You just get down to it, and that's essentially what this song's about. You may not, you may tell me things, but I forgot. You may hold me and buy me clothes. And one day, this is a game that we all know. You may have a lot on your mind. Now you may think you're sweet, think you're kind, but the strings that you pull around the world, they're gonna tie us up in the biggest knot we ever heard. What am I gonna do with these hands? What am I gonna do as I stand? What am I gonna do as the earth turns to sand? What am I gonna do with these hands? What am I gonna do as I stand? What am I gonna do as the earth turns to land? Now you may whisper sweet things to me. I hear your gentle words that make me scream. Well, you tell me I'm so happy, you tell me my place is clean. Come on, the place is falling apart. What in God's name do you mean? What am I gonna do with these hands? What am I gonna do as I stand? What am I gonna do as the water turns to land? What am I gonna do with these hands? What am I gonna do as I stand? What am I gonna do as the earth turns to sand? What am I gonna do? 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 These hands, these hands, these hands. What am I gonna do with these hands? What am I gonna do as I stand? What am I gonna do as the earth turns to sand? What am I gonna do with these hands? What am I gonna do as I stand? What am I gonna do as the water turns to land? Well done. Well, thanks so much. I'll just leave you with one more little song, and again, I'd like to thank you for having me, and for all the work that you do, and for all the volunteers that help to put this event and so many other events on. Nothing can happen, nothing good can happen without people just saying, I want this to happen, I'm going to do what I can do to help make it happen. That's what a community is about, and that's one of the things that, I don't know, that's one of the things that I just love about this place, is the example of commitment and community. So I'm going to leave you with a song that has absolutely nothing to do with anything that I just talked about, okay? But I like to play it because it's just kind of fun, all right? So I was a touring musician before I became a touring politician. And this is just a little song about a fictitious character, a fictitious traveling musician who, you know, would get into a little bit of trouble. I don't think I need this pick for this song. When I'm standing alone horses and the transport's making their way back home. I get into my car with the wind and the rain and the coffee stain slamming hard against my windshield again. I'm coming home, I'm coming home. Girl, you better be alone, 'cause baby, I'm coming home. Well, I pull out on the interstate, the sky stock is getting later past truck stops. I hop, state cops and Jersey plates. I turn the radio on looking for a song with the wind down timeline skyline, just keep moving on. I'm coming home, I'm coming home. Girl, you better be alone, baby, I'm coming home. I can't quite do the solo like my friend who just did the solo with his mouth, but I'll try one. Actually, why don't you, can you just come up and do a little solo for me? When I got into Vicksburg out in the sticks, so I turn around homeward, northward, quick without a word. Well, I'm a stand-up guy, look you right in the eye, but I know when to go, when to throw, when to tell, and when to fly. I'm coming home, I'm coming home. Oh, girl, you better be alone. Come on, answer the phone. I'll pay you back half for what I owe. I'm coming home. All right. Where'd he go? Where is he? All right, thank you very much. Thank you.